So welcome back to a new video. Since the last video that was about a month ago, the United States have pissed off all of its allies and Tesla dealerships around the world are being vandalized. But we are not here to discuss politics. We are here to discuss a lot more serious topics, which is of course Lego investing. So I have been doing some serious buying. A little bit too serious. The amounts are embarrassingly high, but let's get to the first sets quickly. Before I get to the investment part of the video, I recently built the Jaws set, a great build, a great visual piece, but you cannot play with this ship. So if you are buying this for your kids to play with, they will break this ship fairly easily. It's quite finicky and it's quite badly put together. But as a display piece, it's great. So quickly before the investment sets, I bought this Duplo set for my son. When he gets a little bit older, he will be able to play with Spin's motorcycle adventure set. And also for 17 euros, I found this camping adventure set, which for 17 euros actually I think might be a great Lego investment, but since it's Duplo, I have not really pursued that avenue of investing. But I might. So now on to the investment part of the video. The first sets that I'm going to show you are the Bricklink designer program or series, I think was it series 6 or 7 sets, so let's get to them. So I was able to procure 4 of these camping adventure Bricklink designer series sets. Why 4 and not 2? Because my neighbor is also a big Lego investor, so he gave me his sets. Are Bricklink series sets good for investing? Based on my experience, no, and it was a bad idea, but we all make mistakes. So at least on Brick Economy, I think it shows that the price for this set is about 80 euros, so it's already higher than the buy-in price, so to speak. But since you have to pay taxes on those 80 euro sales, are you really making any money from these sets? No. So I think Bricklink series currently, it's very hard to get rid of these because a lot of people don't really know what these are. The common Lego fan will think, are these some sort of fakes, some sort of knockoff things, what the hell is Bricklink, and so on. But well, I got 4 of these. And also I bought 2 of the Harbor Masters office sets. So the only reason I bought these sets is because maybe you have seen from other creators also that this set just reminded them of the old fishing store, and if you know anything about the old fishing store, you know that numbers go up, and that set has performed extremely well. And since that set performed well and this looks like that set, people expect this set to also do well, but it's doing well than the buy-in price was, so to speak, but time will tell. So I think I have to make some room on this table because these sets are huge and I don't really have that much room on this table. Also recently, Lego sales for me have been absolutely abysmal. Nobody buys Lego sets from me. I'm the only one who buys Lego sets, and I store them here and build some of them. No one buys these investment sets from me, really. I don't know if that's only in my country, but the demand seems to be extremely low, not only with Lego but with other things also. For example, I am selling my old car, my 2013 Lexus GS sedan. I am selling it below market value, so I'm selling it now for 13,900 euros. The market price for that type of car is from 14,500 and upwards, and I'm selling 600 euros below market price, and it has very low mileage, it has full Lexus history. Nobody wants to buy the car from me. Like regular people, they don't even want to buy cars, good cars, reliable cars. I am getting offers from businessmen that want to, you know, lowball me and flip my car. So like I said, regular people aren't even buying reliable cars, so I'm only getting offers from businessmen that want to flip my car. But I hope the tide changes and people start to buy my Lego sets and my car maybe. And also thank you for subscribing. As you can see, the interactive subscriber counter says that we are 14 subscribers away from 500. So maybe in the next video the subscriber counter will say 500. So moving on, we have a order from lego.com. Here is my personal details that I don't want to show you. So now would be a great time to have the Aura sponsorship showing that every big YouTuber has, but since I don't get sponsors, I can't plug Aura. Did I just plug Aura? I don't use Aura. That doesn't really work. Gotta use my trusty Sharpie. So inside this box there should be a lot of brickheads. So shout out to Ian's Bricks. I saw his video that he got these Mickey Mouse brickheads for about £5 or something, and I was extremely jealous that he got them for that great of a price. So I went on to lego.com and I saw that I can get these for €5 also. So I bought 10 of the Mickey Mouse brickhead sets. So do I think these Mickey Mouse brickhead sets are an amazing investment or something? No, but for €5 or €6, I think that's a great price to buy them, and you will, even if you're selling at like €15, you're making a profit. A small profit, but a profit. And I also picked up this limited edition Insider Rewards Sonic the Hedgehog set. I don't really like Sonic the Hedgehog sets, but it's great to have these limited edition or rare sets just in case. So now moving on, I have some huge sets. So the next order came in this huge box. Let's see what's inside. And inside this box is, if you are an eagle-eyed viewer, this is the Viking Village set. And so I bought 2 of the Viking Village sets. I think it's a cool set. I paid €107 for this set. After I placed my order on the local online retail shop, the price spiked up to €150. So I think €107 is a okay price to get these. Since it's a quite huge set with about 2,000 pieces, I think it's not entirely unreasonable to hope to sell these for about €200 in a couple of years. And also I myself, I really like this set and I would like to build one. So maybe I will build one and sell one, maybe I will sell both. Let's see. Now the next order came in this suspicious packaging. So let's see. It's extremely hard to open a package like this without damaging the box. So can you tell what's inside? So inside this box is, as you can see, Mr. Chewbacca himself. And even though it was in a quite flimsy packaging, it arrived in fairly good condition. Now this Chewbacca set is already retired, but I think the value of this, at least on Brick Economy, it says that it's about €170. A lot of people hated on this set for some reason. When this set first came out, I immediately wanted to buy it myself and build it. Never got around to building it because I don't know, even though the price was high, it was about €200, it still wasn't that high that the price would have told me to not buy this set. But I never got around to buying it. I think every time I brought it up to my wife that I want to buy this set, she was like, no, it looks horrible. So maybe it does look horrible. I don't know. I like it a lot, and I think I'm going to build one. I think I'm going to have to convince my wife to build one of these sets. Also, I think it's a great Lego investment because has Lego ever made a Chewbacca like this before? No. Will they ever make one this size, this huge again? Probably not in the near future, so you have to wait for a long time to see a Chewbacca like this again. So that's why I think it's a pretty good Lego investment. So the next sets came in a box like this. So as you can see, I went a little bit naughty, as Ian's Bricks would say, and I bought 5 of these Chewbaccas. I think I should have bought even more, but I didn't. So the thing with these Chewbaccas was that I saw in an online store that they were selling for €100 each. So I bought 3 initially. After buying 3, they arrived, and I went to the online store again, and I saw that the price of these Chewbaccas had lowered even more to €86. So I did something naughty. I returned 3 of the Chewbacca's that I bought for 100 euros each, and I ordered 5 Chewbacca's for 86 euros each. So now the price of those Chewbacca's on that online store has shot up to 186 euros. Basically, I could do some arbitrage trading, I think is what they say, and sell them already for about 150 euros each. So I think 86 euros for this Chewbacca is a steal, and I think it's a great investment. So these are all of the Lego sets that I bought. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like, it really helps me out a lot, and see you in the next video.